With Checkout Anywhere, your audience is never more than a click away from becoming a customer. The new Express Checkout arms you with the fastest checkout online, fighting back against the rising tide of cart abandonment. The new Embed puts that same lightning-fast experience wherever you need it. You can sell from your homepage, link in bio, webinar, or anywhere else your audience is already spending their time. One-click checkout lets you tap into a global network of saved credit cards to boost your conversions. And one-click with Apple Pay slashes cart abandonment by ruthlessly eliminating the work required for your visitors to become a customer. Buy now, pay later makes it easier than ever to sell your highest valued, high-priced products with no risk to you. And bank payments puts thousands of dollars back in your pocket while reducing the risk on your most important payments. And the Pulse View dashboard gives you real control over your growth by finally putting the data you need to keep a day-to-day, hour-by-hour pulse on how your business is performing. And here's the best news. All of these brand new updates are available today inside of every SamCart launch, grow, and scale plan for free. Plus, this brand new checkout operating system comes packed with the same powerful features we've always had, all aimed at increasing your conversions and doubling your profits. Features like unlimited products, customers, and checkouts, so you never have to limit the number of new ideas you can sell. Our fully customizable subscriptions, so you can sell free trials, dollar trials, payment plans, and everything else you can think of. Order bump collections that add 31% to your profits by letting your customers add extra items to their order at checkout. The integration engine that connects all of your favorite tools to SamCart, automating your email follow-up, content delivery, text, data, and more. And as always, SamCart takes a big old 0% processing fees, so you keep more of the money you make and stop handing away 5, 7, or even 10% of your business to some platform that's actually costing you sales. So if you are currently selling on a different platform and you want to see if SamCart can out-convert your current setup, you can put SamCart to the test for free. Just visit samcart.com/pricing or click the links down below this video and try it out free for a full 7 days. We are positive that you will see a huge lift in your conversions, your sales, and your profits. And if you're thinking, Scott, this sounds awesome, but it's gonna be a pain to move my business over, I have some really good news for you. We have a team of people who can do it for you, making it totally pain-free. Just visit samcart.com/pricing and use the VIP sign-up box to get access. So again, if you wanna put SamCart to the test and watch it outperform and outconvert your current setup, head over to samcart.com/pricing or click the link down below this video and try it out fully free for 7 days. Now, the truth is, every day you wait to fix these problems is another day your conversion rates stall, another day you lose repeat sales, and another day your business misses out on the sales you know it should be getting. And you have nothing to lose by putting SamCart to the test. You can sign up right now, set up one of your products in minutes, and put it to the test today. Or you can reach out using the VIP sign-up box on that pricing page, and we'll set it up for you, and you can see the results for yourself. So do yourself and your business a favor. Head over to samcart.com/pricing. Pick the plan that you think will boost your sales the most, and try SamCart out for free for yourself right now. I'm Scott Moran, the co-founder here at SamCart. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the inside.